There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my limits, you can break me down, but I've been fighting ways to get away, to see you again, see you again. Too broken, I know